Hey man, it is a really tough decision trying to pick between which one is the best sneaker of the year, or if you want to slim it down a little bit, the best Jordan 4 of the year. And of course, it's no other than the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined and the Air Jordan 4 Military Industrial Blues. Yo, we gotta talk about it, man. Come on, enjoy the video. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys know what's coming, bro. If you was in yesterday's stream, last night's stream, you already know we're talking about kind of debating the two Jordan 4s that I feel like might go down as the sneaker of the year. It's highly possible. I know a lot of people gonna say, yo, you can't forget about New Balance, you can't forget about Asics. Yes, they are dropping some dope sneakers, but for me, I feel like it's either gonna be the Bred Reimagined or the Military Blues again for, you know, sneaker of the year. And if you don't want to even entertain that, you know what I'm saying, you just want to watch the video just for the vibes, just for the conversation, you can even put it, you know, slim it down. What's the best Jordan 4 of the year? You know what I'm saying? But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up, bro. Everybody watching right now, run them likes up, man. Let's get this up to 500 likes. I know it's gonna be a video that definitely gets looked at throughout the year because I definitely think there ain't no other Air Jordan 4 that's touching these two that we talking about in today's video, man. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, man. Let's get right into it, bro. Bam, man. Here we have them, bro. The two most notable Jordan 4s to release this year. And like I said, bro, in yesterday's live stream, I made a poll, and we had about 123 people to vote. It was a quick little poll. We had 123 people to vote, and you'll be surprised who took the cake as far as being the Jordan of the year, the sneaker of the year, or the best Jordan 4 of the year. And people chose the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. And I was like, hold on, how are these better than the Military Blues? Like, I was trying to put myself in other people's seat, and I was like, you know what? I get it. A lot of people didn't have the 2019 pair of Breds that released. I already had them. So when these came out, I wasn't a huge, like crazy fanatic for the Bred Reimagined like I was for the Military Blues because I never had these in the collection. Like when these released back in the day, like 10 plus years ago, didn't have the funds for them. There was a shoe that I always seen on some of the older homies, you know, on their feet. And I was like, bro, one day I'm definitely gonna get them. And so I was already more excited for these to drop. I was ready for them since they announced them last year. So that's why I was like, bro, there's no way people are taking the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined over the Military Blues, but it all makes sense, bro. It definitely all makes sense why these are taking the cake. You know what I'm saying? Bred 4s, you can't go wrong with them. It's still a very versatile pair of Air Jordan 4s. When we speak about it, is all black. You got the nice hits of red, you got the nice hits of gray, all that good stuff, and it is still that Bred. Now a lot of people was even commenting saying like the Bred 4 Reimagined look like that's what was supposed to be the Breds initially. That made all types of sense because I don't think it was any other shoe or any other Jordan 4 before these Breds back in the day when he rocked them that had suede or like that nubuck on the upper. So that could be another huge reason why people are going crazy and loving the Bred 4 Reimagined. I can't believe I got this far in today's video without even asking you guys, man, which one are you taking, bro? The Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined or the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues? I'm super interested in knowing. Like I said, on the live stream, a lot of people were weighing more towards the Breds. And like I said, bro, I didn't necessarily agree. I kind of gave up my answer already, bro. For me, the best Jordan 4 of the year, the sneaker of the year for me, bro, me personally, my personal #1 pickup of the year, and I'm already naming it, bro. I'm already naming it. We still got some dope releases to come out, is these clean Military Blue, Industrial Blue Air Jordan 4s, man. So let me go ahead and grab the 2019 pair of Breds real quick. Like I said, man, I already have these things, you know what I'm saying? So that excitement for this 2024 rendition wasn't all that crazy for me, man. But of course, still love the colorway, still love the new all leather upper. You can get a lot more wears out of these. They are a lot more comfortable. You can tell just by the toe box, man, how they went back more towards that OG form of a pair of 4s, man. These joints were just super bulky, man, super flat, super stiff. You can tell by the toe box, man, these joints right here with some dust magnets, and there was some crease magnets. I know a lot of people will knock these down a bit, just a little tiny bit, due to the fact that, you know what I'm saying, they did change the color from the pair that released back in 2012, I believe the year was, and that they're calling them the industrial blues, you feel me? But overall, if you actually look at the sneaker, it is more towards that OG pair that released back in the day. And the shape is just ultimately way better on these guys, man. I already threw them on feet. I did have a size 9 on when I was throwing them on feet, but you guys know I do want a size 9.5, and I still recommend you guys to go up a half a size. I just feel like that 9 was a little bit too, it wasn't tight. It wasn't necessarily how I like the comfort fit to be. So I recommend going up half a size. You can go with your 2 size, but man, half size for me is a way to go. And a couple other things to check out, man, is the Bred Reimagined box. Of course, you got the reversed, you know, cement box. So you got the cement on the lid of these joints with the Jumpman up top and just the black bottom. Before the military blues that's coming out May the 4th, we got the regular Air Jordan 4 box that you guys can see, man. So you kind of switched it up, flipped it around a little bit, kind of give it a new little twist. But the Reimagined series definitely been something that's different overall, if I'm being honest. So again, man, you guys let me know in the comment section which one you rocking with. Which one do you think will hold the weight all year long? What's going to keep the buzz in people's ear? Is it going to be these Bred Reimagined, or is it going to be the military blue, aka industrial blues, that released May the 4th, man? And me, bruh, I feel like after we do get this, you know, initial drop on May the 4th, more people will be gravitating towards military blues. But I guess we won't know until December 31st, 2024, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Make sure you guys comment which one you taking, militaries or the Bred Reimagined. Super interested in knowing. It should be a good, dope conversation in the comment section. You guys know I respond to every single comment, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are actually, man, enjoying the content. I love y'all. Appreciate you tapping in. Always been saying your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.